Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to start small exercise on geometrical figure completion. In geometrical figure completion, a geometrical shape, most probably square, it will be taken and it will cut into two parts. One part will be kept as question figure. See, another part will be among the answer figures. You should identify which is the correct part, and when you join those two parts, that geometrical shape should be completed. See, those are the instructions for you. Now let us discuss the first question. See, in the first question, see, you can see a square. In that, this small part, see, it has been cut out and it is kept among the four options here. Now you should check and find out where the question figure is hiding. Sorry, where the another part is hiding, is there, so that when it is put there, that geometrical shape should be completed. See, now let us check A. See, when you check A, see all the lines, top lines, side, see this slant lines and bottom. See, all the lines look same. It may be the answer, but you should check other parts also, other options also. In the second option, when you see left side line is small, right side it is small, it will big. But here, see, they are almost equal here. So here left side this part is small, that is the right side it is little bit big. So it cannot be the answer. When you come to see this part is very big, large. The side lines you can see. Side lines. You compare the question figure and the answer figures in the side lines. In the side lines, those are very big. And this length, the bottom lines, vertical lines, they are short also in option C. So this cannot be the answer. You check the top part of question figure, option figure 4. In the option figure 4, top part is also that V shape is missing, so it cannot be the answer. So the correct answer for question number 1 is A. We are shading A. Now let us check and find out the answer for question number 2. So in question number 2, again a square shape is taken, a T shape has been cut out. Now let us find out where that T shape is there. See, when you look at this one, first option, see, they may look same. See, every part and every line, it looks same. In B, you observe these lines, it is small. The vertical lines, this U shape is small. When you come to C, that shape, this is a little bit big. See, bottom line, you observe the bottom line. You observe the bottom line, how much it comes here. See, when you look at that one, in C, it is little bit big. So, you cannot place or you cannot join C with the question figure. So, you can eliminate this also. Now, come to the next one. In D. In D, when you observe these two lines, see, they are little bit bent and it is small also in size when compared to this one. And these lines also are also the top T part, that is also a little bit small. So you can say A is the answer for question number 2 also. 2A. Come to question number 3. In question number 3, see, you can see how the square is cut into two parts. See the shape. When you observe A, see, you can find all the lines as in the question figure itself. So let us keep it for the reference. Next, when you come to B, see, left side V shape, it is very big than it is in the question figure. So when you place B here, see, there will be a gap created. So B cannot be the answer, and this part is also, it is kept upside down. Okay, let it be. Next, you come to C. Again in C, see that V shape, both the V shapes, they are little bit big and they are kept upside down also. They cannot be the answer. C cannot be the answer. When you come to D, see this part, you observe, see it is a little bit big size. The size of the pot is little bit big, and here this pot is small when you compare to the question figure. So for this you can choose again option A as the answer. A. Come to question number 4. In question number 4, see a shape is cut like this. Now we should find out the same figure. See here in A, it is turning in opposite way. See, this cross line is in the left side, but it is facing towards the right side. See, you just uh, don't choose that one as the answer. After comparing all the answers, you can come to A for the reference. Now when you come to B, see the length of the vertical lines. Here the length of the vertical lines is small, and this part may match, the top part may match, but the bottom here it will come to up to this part only. Here a gap, small gap will be created when you place B. So B cannot be the answer. See when you come to C, see all the lines, the shape, everything will match to the question figure. In the B, again it is opposite, and this cross line is very big also. You cannot consider that as the answer. So for question number 4, C can be the answer. So you can eliminate A, B and D. C will be the answer for question number 4. See question number 5. It's very simple. See 3 square parts have been cut out. See when you look at that one, in A you can find the square parts. In B they are just like rectangles. In C a triangle part is there. Again in D rectangles are there. For question number 5, again A is the answer. Question number 6. In question number 6, the square is cut diagonally and two L shapes are cut here, and at the end there is a slant line. See when you look at this one, see every lines are there, but when you compare the size of the L shape, here it is very small, so it cannot be the answer. You come to B, compare the L shape, slant line, see everything, yeah, all the lines you can find it. C again it is wrong answer because it is oriented in other direction and it cannot match with the question figure also. And in D also you cannot match the L shapes because here L shapes both are equal in length. So D, C, A are eliminated. B can be the answer. 6B is the answer. Question number 7. Observe the curved lines. It is cut based on curved lines. See? See, there is no straight line in the corner. So you cannot match A. B, it is very small in the length and it is just like the question figure itself. B cannot be the answer, A cannot be the answer. In C, you can say all the lines, they will match. When you place it, the square will be completed. See, here you can draw in your workbooks. You have the workbooks. See, here you can draw and you cover this part. This part you cover it with your hand. You just draw a square line like this and you compare, you will get the answer easily. C is the answer. D cannot be the answer. Question number 7, C. Question number 10. A rectangle part has been cut. So A is square, cannot be the answer. B is small, it is rectangle but small in size. C, again it is small. D can be the answer. Question number 8, D is the answer. Question number 9. See, a shape is cut from bottom right corner. The bottom right corner, see how the rectangle lines have gone. You observe all the lines and you compare with option A. See, it is almost 90% it will match. It may be the answer, When you come to B, see this pot, it is lengthy and it is small. You cannot match it. C is oriented in other direction. D is also oriented in other direction. So B, C, D cannot be the answer. A is the right answer for question number 9. And the last question, question number 10. See, there is a projection here. There is a depression here. One projection, one depression. See, in the question figure, when projection is there in the same part, it should be depression in the answer figure. So, in A, only you can see one depression. It cannot be the answer. Here, one depression is there, one projection is there, but you cannot match it. When you turn it and put it, this will come to this part, so it cannot match. C can match with the lines, how you have cut. C will be the answer. D is totally different. It is both the depressions are there, V shapes, both are depressions. Here one projection and one depression should be there. Question number 10, C is the answer. See, you can just draw a line completing the square, and with one hand you can cover it and you can find out the answer. See, this is the presentation of 10 questions.